Hello darlings, this is your favorite girl, Mahubo Fabulous, answering all your fabulous questions. Okay, let's start. Why do you choose controversial topics? Darling, I don't wake up in the morning and think, oh my god, I need to think of a topic, I need to think of a topic. No, no. My topics are from the comments that I read from my YouTube channel. They're inspired by those comments, and that's why they're controversial, because it's how Somali men depict themselves on my channel, and that's what I talk about. Um, are you married? No, 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 no. I'm too young for that. Do you have any kids? Yes and no. Yes, I have three girls. They're not real, but minikins. They're over there right now, chilling. And then I have a teddy bear. I always talk shit about Somali men. Well, honey, I'm sorry. I don't talk about Somali men in any manner that I wouldn't agree with. Okay, so I talk about Somali men the way I see them treat me, and they taught me how to treat them and perceive them. So basically, my videos and anything I say about Somali men depends on those comments from them on my videos. To me, that's what they are, and that's what I'm gonna talk about in my videos. So nothing personal. How do you maintain confidence in all your videos? Because I believe in myself. Everything I say, I stand by it. I don't have any regrets. I'm my biggest fan. Um, Anything that I talk about it is something that I really believe it. I really believe it, and I'm passionate about it. So it's not something like just like, oh my god, I'm just gonna talk about it to get attention. No, no. I really believe that these issues are a problem in Somali community, and that need to be faced and deal with it instead of like being in denial. So that's what inspires me, and I just want to make the world a better place. I'm not trying to attack anyone, of course not. That's not my intention. So it's just my thing is just to bring out these problems out, and place them under the light so everybody can see it, and find a solution, because you never solve a problem unless you acknowledge there is one. And I've noticed like Somalis are in denial, so that's what we need to work on. How do you cope with all the hateful messages? I don't need to cope with anything, because these messages are just an attempt to hurt me. Um, if I believe in myself, I'm my biggest fan. I stand by everything I say. I don't think anybody can get to me, and that's how I deal with everything. And I always say I'm the shit. I'm the shit. Do you worry that one day you will marry a Somali? No, no, no. I don't need to worry about anything. I don't really worry about the future, about anything. I don't need to, and I don't think I have any chance of marrying a Somali guy. Anyways, do you drink? Heck to the yeah. Oh, who doesn't drink? So like, I could use one right now. Ah, too much water. Okay, what are you doing in LA? Enjoying the beautiful weather at the beach, and pursuing my career. What are things you missed about Columbus? My family, my parents, my mom's delicious cooking, my nieces and nephews. I love them. They are my BFFs. How did you gain happiness? Um, like it goes back to my confidence stuff. I just believe in myself, and I'm like, I'm my biggest fan. So that's where it all starts. I don't like to be compared to anybody, because there's only one Mahubo Fabulous in the world, and no one else like me. So that's what I always say. What makes you feel so confident about everything you say? Again, God, how did I end up having to say? I thought I went through all this stuff. Because I stand by everything I say, and that's why I sound confident. What inspires you to make videos? I want to ask someone else to deal with these issues. Okay, sometimes I say you guys, sometimes I include myself. Sometimes I just want to be nice. Ha! Okay, how do you come up with your videos? With your topics? Inspired by the comments. What kind of actress do you want to be? It doesn't matter. I don't know if I want to do porn though. I've been there. I've been there. Have you been in any movies? Nothing special. I'm a newbie, so it's not easy to get into Hollywood. It's a process. Uh, how do you see yourself in 5 years? Successful at whatever I do. Who's your role model? Myself. I don't really have any role models. I don't. There's no one like I'm like. Okay, how will so and so conduct themselves right now? No. I'm like, Mahubo, what's appropriate for you right now? What's in your best interest? That's what I always think about. What's in my best interest? I think that's gotten me far in life, really, in terms of how I feel emotionally and physically and socially, whatever. Uh, are you crazy? I get that question a lot. What do you think? You be the judge. You be the judge of that. You be the judge of that. How do you handle all the hate speech against you? I don't need to handle it. It handles itself for me because I just read the comments and I make a next video. To me, it's really entertaining. I laugh so hard when I'm reading my videos. So it's just like entertaining for me, and it just shows more of the people that I'm dealing with, and it kind of gives me like depth of like what kind of people they are and how they think, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I definitely don't need a psychology degree to figure these people out. So really, I don't take anything personal. I don't need to. I'm just, it's obvious you're in denial, and you deep down, you know what I'm talking about is truth. So at least you know that. So that's most important. I'm very respectful, as I'm known to be, and I don't really like crossing boundaries. But I also don't like, putting everything under a rock, because that's not how you solve problems. You solve problems because heads on, you face it, and then you deal with it, and then you find a solution. But not you avoid it, it will be there forever. And that's one of the things I'm against. God. So it was so fun. Do I work with crutch? I do work with crutches, and I'm not ashamed of my disability. I have millions of pictures on Facebook, and on Facebook, yeah, Twitter, I don't have a lot of pictures. And I think Twitter too, with my crutch. Is a nerve damage. It doesn't discourage me from anything, and I like it. But anybody who I didn't answer their questions, it was probably like too personal or anything.